Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change your mouse settings to single click to open any files or folders on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. To do that settings, you just need to open your my computer, means this PC, and go to your this PC, and here you will get a three dot button over here. So click on that, and here you just need to click on option, and under option go to under general tab, and here you will get an option called single click to open an item. So you just need to check this option. After that, click on apply, then okay. Now if you click any files or folders or drive, it will open with single click. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.